Find out how to request a refund for medical services received in a non-affiliated clinic using Portale Leo. Go to portale.fondoasim.it and use your login details. We remind you that your fiscal code is your username and the password is the one you have indicated during the registration process. If you can't remember your password, you can recover it by clicking on Dimenticato la password. If you still haven't registered, you can do so by clicking on Registrati come lavoratore. Use your personal credentials and click on Login. Once inside your private area in the See ASIM portal, click on Apri Portale Leo on the left. If you still haven't accepted the terms of use and privacy policy, a banner will appear. If that's the case, click on Gestisci consensi. Click on Modifica next to the terms. Select Presto il consenso and finally click on Conferma. Go back to your profile page and click on Portale Leo. You will see a message telling you that you will be redirected to Portale Leo. Click on Conferma. Once you've entered Portale Leo, add your IBAN number. Click on Aggiungi, which you can find in the section Informazioni bancarie. Add your number and click on Conferma. We remind you that you can add more than one IBAN number and later select the one you would like to use. To submit a new request for medical services received in a non-affiliated clinic, go to Spesa sanitaria privata and then click on Pratica rimborso. Add the payment's date present on the invoice or receipt and then click on Conferma. Once you've reached the refund request page, go to the section Rimborsuale on the left-hand side and then click on Dettagli fattura. Select the IBAN number you want to use to receive the refund. Add the total amount on the invoice or receipt. We remind you that the amount needs to include 2 decimals after the comma. Add your fiscal code and the number on the invoice or receipt. Add the name of the clinic where you received the service and click on Conferma. Select the type of service you received. For example, you just need to write appendicite. Click on the green button Cerca and select the right pathology. After that, click on Conferma. On the right-hand side of the page, you can add information and additional notes and then attach the files necessary to submit your request. In the section Prestazioni da rimborsare, select the category of medical service that you received. After that, select the type of medical service, adding the LIA code, or just writing the name of the service received. Click on Cerca, then on Seleziona, right next to the type of service, and finally on Conferma. Once confirmed, you will see on the main page the type of service you've selected. However, if you decide to cancel it, you just need to click on the red button next to the service. The yellow icon instead will show you whether a maximum coverage is associated to that service. Add the cost of the service in the specific section. If you want, you can also add a short description. Click on Conferma. You can also confirm the amount of total allowance in the last item of the line. To attach the necessary documents to submit a refund request, click on the button Aggiungi that you can find in the section Documenti allegati. Select the type of document that you want to upload and click on Conferma. We remind you that to finalize the refund request, it is always necessary to attach the receipt or invoice from the service and the prescription of your doctor. In case of COVID-19 related medical services, you will also be able to attach COVID-19 test results as well as serological test results. We remind you that you can request COVID-19 related refunds dated April 2021 and onwards only using Portale Leo. If contagion or illness occurred prior to that, you will need to use the COVID-19 dedicated page on the website. You will be able to add additional notes to your refund request using the specific section Note. Click on Invia richiesta at the bottom of the page. You will be redirected to a recap page, from where you will be able to review all the information you're about to submit. The type of medical service from which you're requesting a refund, the macro area of the service, the cost of the service, and the maximum coverage offered as per her plan. Attach documents. You will also be able to review any notes and add new ones. On the right-hand side instead, you will be able to review the status of your request and the total refundable amount, the ID code of the service received, the IBAN number where the refund will be credited in, the details of the invoice or receipt, the amount of the refund, and the medical information included in the request. Check that all the details are correct, and if you need to change something, click on Modifica dati. If you want to cancel the request, click on the button Annulla richiesta. If all the details are correct, click on Conferma invio richiesta. A message will confirm you that the request was completed successfully.